We're here at Fabco-Air, an advanced manufacturing company located here in Gainesville, to learn more about what they do. Leo, just a little bit more about who you are and what you do.
So I'm the general manager of Fabco-Air, and we design and manufacture pneumatic components for the industrial automation industry. And we are part of the Festo Group, a global leader in the industrial automation. Our valves and actuators literally set the world in motion.
And what makes Fabco so innovative?
So the products that we build here power automation in the intralogistics, semiconductor and automotive industry, and many more other industries. So we design, we machine, and we assemble all our parts here in Gainesville. The parts are used worldwide and support advanced automation in various industries, and show that advanced automation starts right here in Florida.
Why is it important to have manufacturing here locally?
So the current global situation shows that made in the US gets more and more important. We see that manufacturing is moving back to the USA, and we've been here 65 years. We're an established company here in Gainesville, and that gives us a competitive edge for supplying the national automation industry.
Who does Fabco-Air impact?
So the very interesting thing with our cylinders is that they can be used everywhere. In the semiconductor industry, we pick and place microchips, for example, with our products, or also packages in intralogistics centers that are sorted before being delivered to your doorstep. Or also when you drive through a car wash and a big brush is moved from left to right, you can be sure that our cylinders are behind that movement.
So what's next for Fabco-Air?
So we will continue to expand our capabilities, to invest here in Gainesville, for example, with Santa Fe College, to train the engineers and technicians of the next generation, and to prove that advanced manufacturing starts right here in our community.